हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू हाईएस्ट टेक यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के पार्ट 9 में मैं आपको पीर टीचिंग, इंक्वायरी बेस्ड लर्निंग, प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड लर्निंग एंड रिसिप्रोकल टीचिंग के बारे में बताऊंगा। उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। Prominent have been pointing to the advantages of peer teaching, saying the 18th country it's one of many teaching strategies that help develop reasoning and critical thinking skills, and a pioneering 1988 study found it improved self-esteem and interpersonal skills. It can be difficult, however, to bring it to the classroom. Students might have different proficiency levels or be hesitant about teaching their peers, and it can lead to confidentially issues about which students are struggling. Some best practices for peer teaching include explaining to students how to give feedback, providing written prompt to guide decision, running class-wide peer editing section. For more ideas on how to successfully bring peer teaching to your classroom, read 15 easy peer teaching strategies to help students. Inquiry-based learning. Inquiry-based learning has been around since the 1960s, but can still be a demanding teaching strategy to implement in the classroom. In the inquiry-based learning classroom, teachers are responsible for guiding students' thought, their questions, past curiosity, and into critical thinking and understanding. There are four main types of inquiry-based learning. Confirmation inquiry. Students are given a question along with a way to answer it. Structured inquiry. Students are given an open question and investigation method. Guided inquiry. Students work from an open question to design investigation methods. Open inquiry. Students develop original questions that they answer thought their one methods are study from the Association for Psychological Science found that students who use inquiry based learning are more likely to retain information from the activity and curriculum content in general. For more benefits and examples of inquiry based learning as well as how to effectively use it in your classroom, read all about inquiry based learning definition, benefits and strategies. Problems Problem and based learning. Problem based learning is a student centered pedagogy that puts students in groups to solve open ended problems. Together, this teaching strategy has its advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: develop long term knowledge retention. Use these drivers instruction types. Students are continuously engaged. Develop transferable skill. Improve teamwork skills. Disadvantages: potentially poor test results. Student unpreparedness. Teacher unpreparedness. Assignment is the time consuming. Might not be relevant applicable. Even taking into account the different opinion on problem based learning, there is an unbelievable value in giving students a degree of control over their own one education. For more ideas about problem based learning and tips for designing projects, read 5 advantages and disadvantages of problem based learning plus activity design steps. Sign up now. There's no cost no to you or your students, and pedagogy is fully aligned with state standards for grades 1.8 math and grades 1.6 English. Reciprocal teaching. Reading is every student's favorite subject. With reciprocal teaching techniques, you can turn even the most reluctant reader into a bookworm. Reciprocal teaching involves students in reading and gets them excited to learn. Learners are asked to predict what a text is about, ask questions about what they don't understand, reread for clarification, and summarize what the text is saying instead of just absorbing material as quickly as possible. And the technique even can even be adapted for math class. One study found that reciprocal teaching in math can improve understanding of word based problems can help students understand question better. For more ideas about रेसिप्रोकल टीचिंग, रीड फॉर रेसिप्रोकल टीचिंग स्ट्रेटजीज टू यूज़। तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।